In today's video, I will show you how you can get Canva Pro free. So must watch video till end. So make sure you must have login into your account. But if you don't have login, then create an account and switch to your real account. So I am switching to my real account because in my real account I want Canva Pro feature. So let's show you. So you have to type in search menu. For example, I am typing YouTube thumbnail. So here you can see I don't have Canva Pro feature. So now I will show you how you can get this feature free. So let's go to your Google. You can use Google Chrome, or otherwise you can use Google. So here in search menu you have to type bingo tingo Canva Pro. So let's here in search menu you have to type Canva, but if here you will see ad, then wait for few seconds. So again click on it. Then now in search menu you have to type Canva, Canva. Canva spelling must be correct. Don't type Canva, you have to type Canva, Canva. So after that search it. So now click on how to use Canva. Now scroll down. So here you will see the option download. So just click on it. If you don't see the option download, then you will see the timer. So wait for timer end. Then now click on it and hold for few seconds. So after that this pop-up will appear. Now click on get here. So you will directly log in to Canva. Now click on join team, but here you can see this team limit has been full. So now what you have to do. So again go back to Google Chrome by clicking OK, got it, no thanks. Then now again go to Google Chrome app and here hold for few seconds. So here you can see timer has appeared. So now wait for, and so now click on again download. You have to repeat all these steps again. So now I will show you my Canva has been cracked. So here I have joined in Canva Pro. So let's show you. For example, in search menu I am typing YouTube thumbnail to see it's working or not. So here you can see all Canva Pro feature has cracked. You can use this feature now free. So hope so you like the video.